This Hirschi Realtors property video is presented by kthomas. The inviting wraparound front porch welcomes you into this home and lovely Colonial Park neighborhood. Updates galore, gorgeous hardwood flooring, remodeled kitchen and master bath with pretty finishes. Traditional family floor plan features spacious living areas, generous bedrooms and an isolated fourth bedroom with private bath. There are options for your home office needs in the formals or sunroom. Best of all, there's the perfect covered patio to entertain with a pool view. Are you ready for summer fun? For more information, review the details below or contact kthomas at 940-692-8120.